Discover VulpeFi, the next-gen DeFi platform powered by AI and multi-chain trading that makes smart crypto investing faster, cheaper, and easier for who? For everyone. Please keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, jumping right into it, welcome once again to what is known as VulpeFi. Now, if you guys do not know anything about this, it combines decentralized finance with AI to deliver smarter trading, you guys. All right, now some of the key features include an AI-enhanced trading dashboard offering real-time predictive insights, a multi-chain DEX aggregator across Ethereum, BSC, and soon Solana, plus Gasless Limit Orders to eliminate fees for better user adoption. You guys, user adoption is what it is all about. All right, and if you actually take a look here, you guys will see where they kind of talk about some of the products. Now, before we talk about that, I want you guys to understand they got some strategic partnerships and high profile team members. All right, so VulpeFi benefits from global blockchain expert Andy Liao joining the team, bringing extensive industry experience and what else? Credibility. Now, the platform also collaborates with notable partners like Mexc, and you guys, not only that, but they are boosting the reach along with their trust. All right. Now, whenever it comes to VulpeFi, you guys need to understand, not only do they have these amazing products, you guys, but whenever it comes to, say, their token, okay, we actually take a look here. You guys can actually see where it talks about joining this pre-sale. But I want you guys to understand that their token has some official listings on major exchanges like Binance and Bitmart. They're set for June 30th, which is a few days from now, with a top 10 exchange announcement that is coming soon. Now, the launch marks a key milestone in bringing VulpeFi to a broad investor base, okay, which is actually really good, okay? Now, if we continue down, you guys need to understand, I mean, there is definitely a strong mission here, but not only that, a vision along with the roadmap here, right? So I want you guys to understand whenever it comes to VulpeFi's mission, it is to democratize intelligent DeFi, let's say, by simplifying cross-chain trading with security and obviously scalability. All right, now the roadmap that includes launching advanced AI dashboards. We got Solana support. We got a universal quote system. We got what else here? We got DAO governance tools and expanding institutional partnerships over the next few months, not few years, the next few months. All right. So you guys, whenever it comes to this, as mentioned, if we kind of go up here once again to these products, I need you guys to understand, we're talking about universal quote system that's going to be launching soon, all right? So a fast cross-chain quoting tool to provide accurate prices simultaneously across different blockchains, okay, which is good. We even have gasless trading features, okay? So limit orders without gas fees, encouraging adoption by frequent and new traders alike, okay? And we've got media coverage and market buzz, right? So technically they have been featured, if I'm correct, in like Coin Telegraph, okay? March of 2025, which is pretty big. And this has been for its innovative DeFi, or let's say DeFi tech and partnership with Andy Liao. And then obviously, you guys, investor benefits, competitive edge. I mean, you guys, this thing right here has a strong upside potential thanks to its early stage listings and the integration of AI-driven trading tools, providing a unique market position. All right. So there you have it, you guys, a VulpeFi. Okay. So once again, click up here. You're going to be able to check out this massive sale. I mean, you guys, it's going to be launching soon. You can even launch right here, the D app. So you guys can see that right here. Okay. So pretty easy and simple, pretty awesome. Yeah, you guys, check it out. Do not miss out. And more importantly, social media is right over here. Okay. So you guys need to understand where artificial intelligence fuels financial freedom. Solutions that bring innovation and autonomy trading and GameFi within the DeFi universe, okay? So VulpeFi, guys, literally the top of the line project, platform, whatever you'd like to call it, in my opinion. And if you guys would like more information, be sure to dive down into this white paper. I mean, there's probably a lot more there than what I'm actually telling you today in this video. Let's get it, you guys. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, if you will, be sure to let me know what did you think about VulpeFi. More importantly, guys, I need you guys to check out the links down below and just, dive down into it, okay? And then you can leave a comment and tell me what you think. Other than that, smash up that like button, that subscribe button, and I'm going to see you in the next video.